I love health insurance. I could talk about it all day, but we want to keep it interesting for the viewers out there and touch on other insurance topics as well. So let us talk about other insurances aside from health insurance. Julian, what is in your opinion an important insurance to have?
Another good question. So we at Feather, we kind of differentiate between the essentials and then then extra coverage that you may only need depending on your circumstances. I think for the essentials, one thing that I would definitely recommend is liability insurance. Very inexpensive, just a few euros per month, which will cover you if you accidentally damage somebody else's property. And then the other one, and that's the big one and more of an expensive insurance, is disability insurance. This is an insurance that pays money if you're unable to work, and will basically substitute your salary until you retire, and it will usually pay money if you're partially disabled or fully disabled. And this is not such a fun topic to talk about, obviously, but even if you don't have any dependents, anybody relying on yourself, usually you still want to kind of keep your living standard and don't want to go onto say social welfare or whatever. So for that reason, disability insurance I think is one of the critical insurances that maybe a lot of people don't have. And I think the reason why they don't have it is that traditionally it's very difficult to set up these policies. So you need to find an insurance company, you need to fill out a lot of paperwork. And I think this is where companies like Feather can kind of bring a unique benefit, just making it easy. You can sign up fully digital and it doesn't take a lot of time. You can adjust or cancel the coverage if you change your mind later. You're not locked into any kind of a long-term contract. And yeah, so be it with us or be it with another company, I would definitely recommend disability insurance. Life insurance is kind of the same bucket, but more relevant if you have dependents, that you have children or other family members that are relying on you. And as for the extra coverage, household insurance is something that will cover your belongings. Bike insurance will cover your bike against theft, and is a kind of nice to have. And then maybe for expats in particular, legal insurance is also something that can be really useful. This will pay for a lawyer if somebody wants to sue you, or if you got a traffic violation ticket and think that is unjust and want to fight it, then you can use your legal insurance for that.
I completely agree. Those are also the insurances that I have personally. We have, for many of the insurances that you mentioned, there's already videos explaining this in detail, which we will link in the description. And we can also link to your website. So if people want to get into the topic, then they can have a look at there.